Hi there. So today I'm going to show you how to set up a Pong store website and a Pong node for running at home, where you can manage your products and they'll be pushed out to the website. This is a multi-user setup, so for whatever that's worth, you could use it for your own store or host a main hub where you could have multiple users listing sites or listing products on your site. So let's get started with setting up the website. First, you got to get the files, put them on your server in the root directory, and there's a few things to note with that, so we'll go over that now. First thing you want to do is go to htaccess, which is in the root folder, just htaccess. You want to make sure that this is set to secure. We need to do some rewrite magic. Anyway, I'm using the insecure version for the demo. But so first thing you want to do is make sure that is your domain name and it's secure. Then you have to go to the request handler file and add in your domain name there too. So let's find that. Go into classes, request handler, and enter it on line 188. You're going to scroll way down. Anyway, you'll do HTTPS and then your domain name, and you're done with that. And after that, you got to set up the database. So let's do that now. Name it Pong Store and create. So it's a little bit trickier to set up the website. All you got to do is find the table setup file. So go back to your root folder, open up table setup, just copy all that, paste it into SQL entry here, and hit go. Alright, you got your tables and your website is ready to go. Next, you got to set up a Pong server for running at home. We'll do that. Probably want to start the CyberDeck first. Get in your wallet, go to CyberDeck. These are the default credentials to get started. You can actually change them, but we'll leave that as is for now. Turn that on. Once again, you're going to want to grab the project files and put them into your root directory on your home computer. After you get PHP and MySQL set up. Next, with that, once you got those files in there, just go to the database manager and create a new database for that. Just name that Pong, create that. So this will be the one on your website. These aren't going to actually be, next to each other. This will just be Pong if you're setting up the server, or the Pong server for home. Alright, so that's all you got to do is just create the database, and then you go to settings, and you'll want to enter the web API, so this will connect to that website. For this, Pong store, local. Username. This can be changed after you register. And enter your wallet address. Then you can register with the website. Get a number here. So after you register, then you can change your username. Just make sure that it's an actual registered username on the Dero network that goes with your wallet, if you're going to do that. So next, let's see, you can start adding products. So yeah, if you want to use like shipping, then you're going to need to, for now, add this in here. This just creates a UUID and it will basically submit it to the website, and then the buyer can generate their basically a response that they're going to put in their wallet and send back to you with the shipping address. Anyhow, let's get this thing going. Alright, we'll go with that. Add an image in there. Alright, let's see if that shows up. Alright. So, yeah, you can click on the image, or not the image, but the link here to buy it. And then this is how you would actually buy it, so let's do that. First, let me pause the server here. So I'm going to log into a different wallet and buy that, and then I got to log back in and process the transaction. I got to log back out again and enter the order ID. So let's see. Alright, so let me copy that. Paste it in here. Oops. Didn't copy it. Okay, well, I'll have to fix the copy thing here. Copy that way for now. There we go. Okay. So I will send that out. Alright, so this is ordering the product. It's going to the Pong server, and then I'll process that. I'll send this wallet again back the order ID, which you put in here. Alright, well, hopefully it'll be there by the time I get back into the other one. So now I'm signing back into the Pong home server one, so I can process it. Get back over here. Reconnect the CyberDeck. Alright, turn that back on, wait for it to process. So any shipping information, well, you'll be able to see it in records, but it actually stays on the blockchain or in the wallet. You have to enter a shipping address every time you make an order for now, just so that you could have like a different shipping address for different orders if you wanted. I may make some changes to that, but that's the way it is right now. So, alright. It's going to send out a response, and then it'll check to make sure that it actually went through after a couple blocks. Once that's totally confirmed, I'll go back in and finish the other steps here. Alright, looking good. So I'll pause this for now. Log back out. You can see that it sent that out first. If you want. It sent that. The payload. Okay. Now, get back into the buyer wallet. So you'll have to go and find the response in here if you're a buyer. Alright. And grab that number, copy the payload, and you put it in here. Alright. So I'm going to fill out this. I haven't worked out necessarily all the shipping stuff, but I'm thinking about doing something where it'd be like by country, where you could enter in which countries you want to allow the products for, or something like that. So anyhow, what you're going to need to do is send this message to the seller. So if you want to submit your shipping address, go back. Alright, go to send that to the seller. I'll copy the message, and that goes into the message. Alright. Oh, I know why these aren't working. The copies aren't working because I'm using Firefox. There's some issue with that. It works in Chrome. Alright. I'll have to see if I can figure that one out. Anyway, yeah. You must send a minimum amount of 4 zeros and a 1. Alright, that'll do it. So this is submitting your address. After that, should be all set. Everything is completely encrypted end to end, and yeah, let me go and check on the other end of things, get that processed, and check out the records, see what that would look like. Set up. I'm not sure. I don't think it gives you a notification when that's in there, but let's see if it showed up. Not yet. May have to do that, so it'll notify you when that happens, but there it is. So it's actually, this is not stored on your home computer database. It's stored on the blockchain as a transaction ID. So if you were to, turn it off or whatever, the Pong server, then it wouldn't be in your database. They'd have to log into your wallet to find it. If they were looking for this buyer's address or whatever, it's password protected. So the only time you can get to it is by clicking the records, and then it goes and loads out of your wallet the transactions, and then links the address, loads the address out. Anyway, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Feel free to ask any questions. Have a good one.